Welcome to Next Gen Tesla. In just a few months, Tesla is expected to unveil one of its most anticipated projects to date, the long-rumored Model 2, which according to official statements will make its debut in November, marking a significant turning point not only for Tesla, but for the electric vehicle market as a whole. Right now, testing has accelerated with a pace and urgency that reflects just how central this model is to Tesla's broader ambitions. And recent reports suggest that the company is not limiting itself to just one prototype, but is instead running trials for two other vehicles alongside the Model 2 at both the Texas Gigafactory and Fremont facility. With the production line already in place and primed for rapid output, Tesla is setting an audacious benchmark, producing and selling as many as 5 million vehicles each year, a figure so high it would surpass industry staples like the Toyota, Corolla, and Volkswagen Golf, both of which have long been the best-selling vehicles globally. But what is truly grabbing the attention of Tesla enthusiasts and industry observers is not just the target numbers, but the fact that the vehicles currently undergoing these evaluations have left many fans stunned due to their radical departures. From previous expectations, Elon Musk has apparently pushed for a complete redesign of the Model 2, reshaping not just the aesthetics, but also its price structure, technical specifications, and feature set, making it far more advanced and appealing than what most people anticipated. This version of the Model 2 is more than just a scaled-down combination of the Model 3 and Model Y. It carries distinctive characteristics and 4 unique elements inspired directly from the Tesla Roadster, which infuse the vehicle with a sporty, dynamic edge designed to resonate particularly well in European and Chinese markets where style and compact design are highly valued. The natural question arises as to why Musk chose to essentially overhaul the entire design at such a late stage, and whether these changes will ultimately make the model to not only worth its price tag, but also capable of fulfilling the broad expectations of consumers who have been eagerly waiting. For Tesla's most affordable car to date, the curiosity around the Model 2 has only intensified due to recently surfaced footage of what appears to be a camouflaged prototype undergoing road tests at Fremont, which has fueled speculation that the official reveal is indeed imminent. Compared side by side with the Model Y, the vehicle in question is visibly shorter and more compact, reinforcing the idea that Tesla is aiming for a segment that blends practicality with urban maneuverability. Early reports indicate that this model may adopt a crossover hatchback form factor, combining the everyday usability of a sedan with the added spaciousness and versatility of an SUV, design-wise. Observers suggest that Tesla is mixing aesthetics from multiple inspirations with sleek aerodynamic curves reminiscent of the Roadster and sharp futuristic lines that echo cues from the Cybertruck, making it a design unlike any Tesla released before. Elon Musk himself has teased that production will be significantly faster than that of the Model Y, a statement that underscores just how heavily Tesla is investing in streamlining its next-generation manufacturing processes. The heart of this shift lies in Tesla's adoption of a brand-new gigapress casting machine that goes beyond the already revolutionary 6,000-ton presses currently used for the Model Y. With this upgrade, Tesla can now cast large sections of the car's structure in a single piece, placing the need for welding together more than 70 smaller components, thereby improving rigidity, reducing overall weight, and cutting down on both costs and time. For a compact car like the Model 2, these improvements translate into much faster production cycles and lower retail prices without compromising build quality. Industry analysts believe that while Tesla usually offers 3 trims: standard, long range, and performance for most of its vehicles, the Model 2 might begin with only 2, a standard and a long-range version, keeping the lineup streamlined and cost-efficient. While Tesla's minimalist design ethos has always been a point of debate, consumers tend to weigh affordability and performance far more heavily than luxury features. And in this regard, the Model 2 seems engineered to hit the sweet spot. Automotive casting itself has been a cornerstone in the industry for decades, particularly for engine blocks and frames, But Tesla is scaling this up with their gigapresses to handle not just subassemblies, but potentially the entire underbody. In one pour, this new approach represents one of the biggest revolutions in car manufacturing in recent memory and places Tesla ahead of its competitors in terms of innovation. Visually, early leaks suggest the Model 2, sometimes dubbed the Cyberhatch. They adopt a short hood with an extended windshield to maximize cabin space, paired with sleek front bumpers that minimize vents and only retain those necessary for cooling the battery. The headlights might borrow heavily from the refreshed Model 3, while a horizontal light strip across the front fascia seems to be a design element carried over from the Cybertruck. Roadster-inspired triangular side mirrors could also make an appearance, along with a clean rear design punctuated by a wide taillight bar and subtle details drawn from Tesla's truck lineup. In an American market dominated by SUVs, but increasingly open to smaller EVs for urban convenience, Tesla's decision to go with this compact yet versatile design makes sense strategically, even if it puts the Model 2 in competition with a rising number of compact EVs offered by Asian automakers. Despite all of the hype, Tesla has made it clear that buyers should not expect luxury-grade amenities in this car. The Model 2 is not meant to rival the Model S or Model X in terms of premium features. Nay, anyone expecting a glass canopy roof, heated and ventilated seats, or a multi-speaker premium audio system will likely be disappointed. Leaks suggest that the Model 2 will instead come with fabric seats without climate control. A smaller sunroof, simplified single-pane windows, fewer speakers, and basic monochrome lighting inside the cabin. The trunk is expected to be manual, rather than powered, and materials like a conventional metal hood will be used in place of the lighter but more expensive aluminum or glass options seen in less higher-end lineup. At the same time, Tesla seems intent on keeping the essentials intact, such as the signature central touchscreen. It's likely slightly smaller than the 15-inch version in the Model 3, as well as standard autopilot functions, integrated connectivity for navigation and voice commands, app-based car control, and regular over-the-air updates. Musk has hinted that the design may or may not include the striking LED light bar across the front fascia, as seen on the Cybertruck. But this remains uncertain since not all Tesla models include such a feature. Powering the Model 2 will most likely be a 50 to 55 kilowatt-hours LFP battery pack, similar to the more affordable trims of the Model 3 and Model Y, but given the vehicle's smaller size, lighter weight, and more aerodynamic design, this battery could still provide a range approaching 260 miles on a full charge, while supporting ultra-fast charging that restores most of the battery in just half an hour. Tesla's reliance on LFP batteries from its Chinese partner, KL, has already allowed the company to cut costs and extend longevity. And with new, ultra-fast charging iterations of these batteries now available, the Model 2 could easily compete with vehicles in higher price brackets when it comes to charging convenience. Performance-wise, Tesla seems to be sticking with a single-motor setup for the base variant to keep prices low, while leaving the possibility of a dual-motor version open for the future. While this may sound like a compromise, it's worth noting that Tesla's engineering allows even single-motor cars to perform competitively. For example, the rear-wheel drive Model 3 already achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.3 seconds, which outpaces cars like the Honda Civic Type R with a lighter body and updated drivetrain. The Model 2 could deliver surprisingly spirited performance. Despite its budget positioning so far, Tesla appears to be balancing compromises with innovations. Features like heated seats, multi-zone climate control, luxury trims are being stripped out to save money, while simultaneously Tesla is introducing groundbreaking technologies like the adoption of a 48-volt electrical system, capabilities already seen in the Cybertruck, and a brand new electric motor that forgoes rare earth materials. This motor could cost as little as $1,000 to manufacture, meaning Tesla can keep the car affordable without sacrificing efficiency. With the Model 2 also expected to carry Tesla's latest hardware for Suite and the 12th or 13th iteration of its full self-driving system, the car won't feel like a stripped-down compromise, but rather a highly advanced compact EV aimed at the mass market. Musk has long teased the idea of a robotaxi platform that could be based on this vehicle, and insiders have revealed that the Model 2 will indeed be the first to launch on Tesla's new NV9X platform, a modular foundation that can support not only compact EVs but also potential autonomous fleet vehicles in the future. Production is slated to begin in Texas, with expansions planned for Mexico and possibly Berlin, though Shanghai may play a smaller role than initially expected due to intense competition from Chinese manufacturers like BYD and SAIC, who already dominate the low-cost EV segment. Another major focus for Tesla in developing the Model 2 has been the integration of its batteries directly